Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove iOS 27 beta from your device. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 27, and then you want to remove it, here I will show you how can you remove it without a computer. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to software update and wait here for some seconds and then go to automatic updates and turn it off. Again, go back and then go to beta updates, and from here check these two off. So guys, if it is checked to iOS 27, then you have to simply check these two off, and after this go back, and now you have to simply scroll it below all the way and go to transfer or reset iPhone, tap on erase all content and settings, and then tap on continue and follow the instructions and erase your iPhone for one time. So guys, do this, and before doing this you have to simply make sure that the backup is turned on and you have backed up all of your data on your device. So guys, simply do this and then follow the instructions from here and erase the iPhone, and after this your device will be downgraded from iOS 27 to the previous version. So guys, in this way you can also downgrade your device from iOS 27 to iOS 26. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.